Their sizing is wild. My goodness, I will never be ordering Gucci sandals ever again. These are so uncomfortable. Both pairs of these sandals are insanely uncomfortable. Hello, I'm Lindsey from Have Clothes Will Travel. I share style and shopping content as well as travel guides, and for today's video, I'm going to be talking about SSENSE. SSENSE is an online luxury retailer that is based in Canada. They feature a variety of designer clothing, shoes, handbags, and jewelry. Designers they feature range from Valentino to Gucci to Dolce & Gabbana to Burberry and beyond. If you're wondering whether SSENSE is legit or if they're selling fake designer items, this video is here to help. I had ordered from SSENSE because they had the size and the color I was interested in for a couple pairs of Gucci sandals. They were also supposed to have really fast shipping. I shop for my luxury items online because I live in the middle of nowhere and I don't have high-end designer department stores or luxury boutiques anywhere near where I live. Now, but why would I order from SSENSE when I could just order directly from Gucci? That's a question I get asked a lot when I shop on these third-party sites like SSENSE. And the answer to that is because usually by the time I decide to buy whatever designer item I'm interested in, it has already been sold out of the color and size that I want on the designer's website. So I'll go to third-party sites like SSENSE to get the color and the size that I want because they seem to have more of a stock than buying directly from the designer's website. Sites like SSENSE too usually have relationships with designers and brands where they'll release exclusive lines with these designers that you can only buy on SSENSE. If you go on SSENSE website right now and just search the word exclusive, you'll see a variety of designers and clothing items that you can only buy on SSENSE. At least in my experience though, buying things like Gucci shoes, handbags, etc. I'm not getting any sort of discount doing that when I shop through SSENSE. It's the same price as what I would pay if I would buy directly from Gucci as well. So at least in my shopping experience, I'm not getting a discount when I buy from these third-party sites like SSENSE. How long did shipping take with SSENSE? So my first order that I had gotten with SSENSE was just one pair of Gucci horsebit leather sandals that I had wanted. The shipping for these was ridiculously fast. They only took 3 days to ship from Canada and arrive at my address in the US via UPS, and this was over a weekend. So in my opinion, that was really fast shipping. However, I recently placed a second order with SSENSE. And now the second order with SSENSE featured 2 pairs of sandals, 1 pair of sneakers, and 1 Gucci wallet. So this was a bigger order. Now, this order took a little bit longer to reach me. The second order had shipped via Canada Post, and it took 10 days to get from Canada to my address in the US. And that was already with 3 days of processing time on SSENSE's end. So all in all, this took 13 days total to reach me. I'm glad I had this experience though, because if I would have just done that one Gucci sandals order with SSENSE, I would have thought that their shipping was ridiculously fast, but now I can see that it's not actually quite that consistent. I don't know if maybe with the second order, the reason it took a little longer was because there were quite a few more items in it, or what the deal was. I don't know. Also, shipping is free with SSENSE if you spend over $100 on full priced items. This is a little different country to country and also depending on if you're buying items that are on sale. So just make sure that you check the SSENSE shipping charges before you purchase if this is something you're concerned about. I'm a really big fan of free shipping. It just, yeah, I need free shipping for it to be worth it for me. And another thing too is to make sure that someone is home to sign for your packages from SSENSE when they arrive, because a signature is required no matter what shipping provider they are using. Now, for my goodies from SSENSE. Are the items from SSENSE authentic? Let's take a look. So, all of my items came in their original Gucci boxes, and they came with all of the Gucci authenticity paperwork, dust covers. Ooh, it came with one for each shoe. which that's nice. Now this was my first time ordering Gucci shoes, and I didn't really know what size to get because it seemed that Gucci sandals from the reviews I was reading ran small, whereas their sneakers ran large. So for these sandals, I had ordered a size 38 from SSENSE and a size 38.5 from Louis V. Aroma. I had done this because they only had one of each size left on these websites. I had decided kind of late in the season that I wanted these sandals, so my pickings for sizes were a bit slim. Now, as you can see, these sandals look identical. Same gold hardware, same stitching. Everything about them is the same. I can't tell any differences between the two. Also, I had ordered a Gucci wallet for the purpose of this video to see for sure whether or not SSENSE is selling legitimate designer items. Came again with the original Gucci box, dust cover. Authenticity paperwork is inside of the wallet. So I'm going to compare this to a wallet that I had already ordered earlier this year, and I had ordered this from My Teresa. Same wallets. This is the one that I've been using since earlier this year. This is the one that I had gotten from SSENSE. Can you see any differences? I personally think these look identical, which is good news. Good news, very happy about that. So this is the one that's from SSENSE, brand new. This is my one that I had gotten from My Teresa earlier this year. All of my junk is in here, and this one's a little bit dirtier, but overall this wallet has been holding up really well despite my abuse of it over the last however many months, 6 months. Oof. So as you can see, these wallets are the same. I had also ordered a pair of Gucci Ace sneakers from SSENSE, and I had ordered them in one size from SSENSE and a size slightly smaller directly from Gucci. So I can compare these Gucci sneakers to sneakers that came directly from the Gucci website. These are the ones that are from SSENSE. These actually came with, this is a silk dust cover, which that's nice. One for each shoe. All kinds of good authenticity paperwork. Oh, they sent an extra pair of Gucci shoelaces too. And then the shoes themselves. Love these sneakers. Now let's compare these to the ones that I got directly from Gucci. I will say that the packaging from Gucci is much more impressive than the packaging from SSENSE. It looks really fancy. Plus Gucci sent this nice reusable tote bag with the order as well. However, for the sneakers themselves, I'm not seeing any differences. The leather quality, the embroidered bee, which is so cute, the backs of the sneakers, the stitching on the sneakers, even the bottoms of the sneakers, it all looks identical to me. I'm not seeing any differences between these two sneakers. I think it's safe to say that SSENSE is not selling fake designer items. All of the items that I had ordered from separate websites or directly from Gucci themselves looks identical to the items that I received from SSENSE. Unfortunately though, I can't keep any of these shoes that I had gotten from SSENSE. That is because I have pretty wide feet, and these sandals from Gucci are ridiculously narrow and they are so stiff. I have to pretty much use all of my muscle to shove them on my feet, and then once I finally have them on, they are some of the most uncomfortable sandals that I've ever worn in my life. For the price tags that are on these sandals, I would have assumed that they would feel like I was walking on clouds. That was not the case. And this isn't anything against SSENSE, they don't make these shoes, but my goodness, I will never be ordering Gucci sandals ever again. These are so uncomfortable. Both pairs of these sandals are insanely uncomfortable. I also have to return these Ace sneakers to SSENSE because these do indeed run a little large. These are just a little bit too big for my feet, even though I can't get the same size sandal onto my foot from Gucci. So their sizing is wild. So SSENSE's return policy is super easy and straightforward. Returns with SSENSE are also free. So I requested a return because obviously these shoes that I had ordered did not fit and I didn't need another wallet. So I'm gonna be sending this all back to SSENSE. So all I had to do then was I got the shipping label, printed it, packaged all of my goodies back to SSENSE. Once I had it packaged, they also requested that I write on the package, return of Canadian merchandise. Dropped it off at my nearest UPS store, and that was it. It was super simple. Then it took exactly 1 week for my shoes to ship back to SSENSE in Canada, then for SSENSE to process my return and issue me a refund. So 1 week, that's it. That is really good for an international return in my opinion. So is SSENSE legit? Yes, SSENSE is legit. They are selling authentic designer items. Their shipping times are a little all over the place. I wouldn't necessarily say they are consistent or quick all the time. The returns with SSENSE were very easy and quick. I will absolutely be shopping on SSENSE again in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more shopping and style content like this.